There he is. I think we'll just bring it around down. I want to see how this thing lands itself now with the flaps. So I've got no power, pretty much hands off the controls. No power. All right, little power. I want it right here. Got it right here. Could have just dropped that like a Harrier, man. That was sweet. No damage. All right, I like it now. It's fun. It even handles wind. Yee! It's out of power now, though. So, yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. That was the third flight. You guys missed the second one. It was just as nice. Actually, it was nicer. It came right in straight at me and landed right in front of me. Perfect landing. Of course, I didn't have the camera on. No, that goes. Happy flying.